So in this video, I wanted to go over my EDC essentials for 2025 spring. And this is mostly what I'm carrying these days. If not, there's some slight changes, but I'll go over what I carry with me every single day. If not with me, then I'm traveling with it. So this is just what I carry. Okay, so for my first essential, I always carry with me a black fanny pack. This is nice because when I'm traveling in the airports, I can literally just hide this underneath my sweatshirt and have so much more stuff. Stuff I have in here is like chapstick, hand sanitizer, a lens wipe for glasses or camera, and then some like Band-Aids, and then mostly like breath and hygiene stuff. So Listerine strips, gum, breath spray, things like that. In this pocket is my wallet that I only use for gift cards now. I wanted to make a little switch on my main wallet, but this is the one that I've been using for a long time, for like 3 years now. Maybe 2 years. 2 years now, and it's patinaed very well, super nice, but I wanted to make a little bit of a switch, so I just use it for gift cards or whatever. And then there's nothing else in there. And then in this pocket I have earbuds, so if it's a loud place or whatever, I always have ear protection, concert, whatever. In these like side pockets, I usually just keep my knife and or earbuds, and I have 2 different pockets for each one. So that's the fanny pack that I usually have on me. It's leather because it's nice and it elevates any outfit, I think. Next, we have the Box Palma 2. Everyone is so distraught over this device. It's a very helpful device. You can listen to Spotify, you can read ebooks, and I use Notion on here to basically organize my life. I also have a calendar app as well, so that I can write down stuff when I need to. So yeah, you can do a lot with this. I'm learning Italian, got YouTube on there. Yeah, so this device is really nice for productivity and also just plain reading. Obviously, as I mentioned, AirPods I usually have on me. These are semi-broken. Sometimes the left one dies really quickly versus the right. I think I'm not gonna get Apple AirPods again because I can't deal with they're not being able to fix the issues of things, and that they're so brutally expensive for no reason if one's just gonna die faster than the other one in like 2 months. As you can see, look, they're turning red now. They were green, so yeah, they have issues. I'm not sure how to feel about Apple products anymore, but yeah, that's what I have for now. Okay, and the knife that I have been carrying is a Wenger. This is my dad's old knife, and basically it's like a Swiss Army knife. It's got like scissors and bottle openers, file, things like that, and then yeah, it's got a corkscrew. But I usually use this when I'm traveling. I just throw it in my carry-on because it has a tripod plate. You can just screw in the tripod plate with this, so very useful, very handy. So I keep it in my checked bags. Next, we'll go into the phone. So this is my phone. This is the iPhone 15. I low-key want to switch to like a Google or a Samsung phone, but I know people will hate me because the text will be green or whatever. But like, listen, Apple's interface, I just don't like, and I cannot get behind their products just being so expensive, and they're gonna come out with a new one next year. So you know, and the software is going to lag, the battery's going to die. It's just like, you know, I've known some people with phones that have lasted them like 5 years, and I'm like, oh wow, it must be nice to not fork out a fortune on phones. However, I have this 15 for now, and it is what it is. Until this dies, then I'll make that decision. I've used this morning, and it's almost already at half battery. It's not even 10 a.m. I have a leather case on it because I just love leather, but yeah, it's my iPhone. And the wallet that I have is a Louis Vuitton little trifold wallet. I sometimes carry this mostly in the winter because it's a little bit of a beefier wallet. So I have all my cards in here and all that stuff. Photos, business cards, cash, just in case. But yeah, I got a little coin pouch in here too to keep some coins that I find. I really just like the idea of a black wallet. So I have a black and a brown, and I switch them out occasionally. But so far I've been getting into the black one again. So I also just love the embossed print. But yeah, this was my graduation gift when I was in high school, I think. So, but yeah, the button doesn't really like stay closed anymore, which is very sad, but like it doesn't take much to pop it out. But anyways, yeah, so this is my wallet that I've been carrying. It's pretty nice. It's patinaed pretty well. But again, the more I carry it, the more it'll patina. But yeah, so that's the wallet that I've been carrying so far. In terms of the notebook, switch it up and going green. So I've always had this notebook with me. This is my One Star Leather Goods notebook, as you can see. And I keep like the site notes, like the rip-off field notes in this book, mostly because I'm not paying for field notes. Yeah. And then I keep like receipts and then another cleaning cloth in there, business cards, stickers, photos, you know, the good stuff. And the pen that I usually keep is a Cross pen, silver, pretty nice pen. I love using nice pens, so that's what I'm gonna do. Keep using my nice pens. But yeah, so I bring this around and travel with it. And as you can see, it's patinaed very well as well. Love leather, love it. But yeah, I wanted green because green is like my favorite color. And as of recently, I've been getting into this camera again. This is the Canon G7X. This is the Mark II version. I really love this. This is like one of the best picture cameras that I have, you know, that is very small and compact like this. I think Canon does a really good job with these compact cameras. And this has been my travel camera for quite a while now. Yeah, as you can see, it's very dented, dinged up. It's turning silver. You know, that's what these cameras are for. I've had this since 2020 and it's 2025, so I've had it for 5 years, which is crazy to think about that I've had a camera this long. But yeah, this thing has survived 5 years. So, but yeah, so I really do like this camera. Again, takes great photos. And then, you know, when I'm traveling, like on a plane or whatever, this is usually what I'm filming with, just because like this camera that I'm filming with is just, you know, it is also big, even though I got a compact Sony a7C, but it's still, it doesn't really beat this. Like, I'm sorry, like I tried it, but yeah, so Canon G7X Mark II, one of the best cameras that is the best for traveling, and it fits in my fanny pack. So, all right, and in terms of watches, these are the 2 most worn watches that I have in my collection right now. These are both Citizen Corso watches. This one's a chronograph, because you've got the stop and start buttons here. Start it, and then stop it, and then it'll rethink itself. Yeah, and then this is just the regular one. I use this as an everyday watch. This is more of like my dress watch. But this watch I travel with. I basically do all of my everyday activities with. This is the watch that I I love. I got it for my 21st birthday, and yeah, this is like my workhorse, basically. I love this watch, but yeah. And then this is just my dress watch. That is like all gold, and I like it because both of the faces are black, so they go with basically everything that I wear. And yeah, love these two watches. They are what I need. These are my watches. That has been basically all of my EDC. I also carry glasses with me. These are Warby Parker. They're titanium, so they're very, very light, but they're also transitions, so they turn into sunglasses, which is kind of nice. But yeah, I got a little bit of a script, but yeah, I've been wearing these, and my other ones are mostly for work, but yeah, these are what I wear pretty much almost every day. And yeah, those are my essentials. I really like doing these videos, and I hope you guys enjoy them. But yeah, so let me know what is in your everyday essentials, and let me know, because I'm very curious. Like, what if I want to get something that's in your essentials list? But yeah, anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Everything is linked down in the description below, including my Patreon page. So if you want to go support in that manner, you can. And yeah, go check out my TikTok. I post a lot of stuff on TikTok that sometimes you don't see on YouTube. Thank you all so much. Peace out. Bye.